the Ducati Desmo450 MX Factory immediately makes a strong impression as a purpose-built motocross machine that feels every bit like a factory race bike. Introduced just 1 year after the standard Desmo450 MX, this factory version is not a mild upgrade but a focused evolution aimed squarely at competitive riders. With lighter weight, premium racing components, and a clear emphasis on performance, the Desmo450 MX Factory showcases Ducati's serious intent to compete at the highest level of off-road racing straight from the showroom floor. The global presentation took place during the opening round of the 2026 AMA Supercross in Anaheim, marking Ducati's historic debut in the U.S. Indoor Championship. The Troy Lee Designs Red Bull Ducati Factory Racing team fielded the Desmo450 MX Factory, underlining the brand's growing commitment to the international motocross and supercross scene. At the heart of the Desmo450 MX Factory is a single-cylinder engine with Desmodromic-valved timing, a hallmark technology shared with Ducati's MotoGP and Superbike machines. This system allows the engine to rev higher, deliver a broader over-rev range, and provide a strong, linear torque curve from low RPM. Producing 63.5 horsepower at 9,400 revolutions per minute and 53.5 newton-meters of torque at 7,500 revolutions per minute, the engine benefits further from a full Akrapovič titanium exhaust with dedicated mapping, improving throttle response and reducing weight by 1.7 kilograms. The chassis is built around an aluminum perimeter frame weighing just 8.95 kilograms, engineered to balance rigidity, lightness, and ease of maintenance. Developed in collaboration with Showa, the suspension features dark Kashima-coated fork legs and shock body, along with titanium oxide-treated internals to enhance smoothness, durability, and race performance. Fully adjustable 49mm upside-down forks and a centrally mounted rear shock ensure high levels of control across demanding track conditions. Electronics represent another key strength of the Desmo450 MX Factory. Ducati Traction Control continuously monitors rear-wheel slip to deliver precise and linear intervention, automatically disengaging during jumps and allowing temporary manual override via the clutch lever. Launch control, engine brake control, quick shifter, and customizable riding modes can all be adjusted through the X-Link app thanks to the standard Wi-Fi module. Practical considerations have also been addressed, with competitive maintenance intervals designed to reduce ownership costs. Piston replacement and valve clearance checks are scheduled at 45 hours, while a full engine overhaul is set at 90 hours, benchmark figures in the 450 motocross segment. Ducati Performance further expands the offering with a wide range of accessories, enabling riders to create a near replica of the MXGP Factory bike. Visually, the Desmo450 MX Factory stands out with a striking Ducati Corse livery inspired by the brand's official MXGP machines. The model is already available through selected European Ducati dealers, with North American deliveries scheduled for January 2026, followed by a global rollout, signaling Ducati's intent to establish itself as a serious contender in the off-road racing world.